One of my coworkers, Julia, started complaining that she's too fat to be loved, and fat people don't get to be loved. I told her that wasn't true and that my wife was fat. She got really red in the face and started telling me I wasn't allowed to call my wife fat, that I was insulting her, and that my wife was beautiful and curvy. Julia started threatening to tell my wife I called her fat. She pulled up her number and told me she was messaging Carol that I was being mean. I beat her to the punch and called my wife, put her on speaker and asked if she was curvy or fat. Carol laughed and said, "I hate that curvy nonsense. Fat and beautiful, baby." I thanked her, told her I loved her, and hung up.